Hi, welcome back. This is part 2 of my 5-part series on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is going to be part 2, the cross. Now, before starting to solve this, if you have not seen part 1, I recommend you go watch that right now because it's really helpful and it's really important to the rest of this video. But first, let's scramble it up. Okay, now the cube is in scrambled state. Now, first thing we want to do is to get the cross. Let me just quickly execute that. This is our goal. Or maybe I should just do it on this. Just a moment. Yeah, this is our goal. So let's just scramble my cube up. As you see, our goal is for for the white edge piece, because we're going to be doing a white cross. That's the easiest thing for us to do. We're going to want the two colors. One of them has to be white. Okay, that's what we're looking for. There's always going to be 4 white edge pieces on this cube. Now, the white has to be on the white side, but the other color has to match the center color of the edge. Okay, no, this is a bit confusing. Okay, since we know the edge has 2 colors already, both of them have to match. So the white has to match the white, and the red has to match the red. Now let's see how we should do that. Our goal first is to get a lotus position, which is like that. That is a lotus position. This is quite intuitive and hard to explain, but as a general rule of thumb, you just want to go that. You want to go check if where the edge piece is. If it's like that, you check if there's anything above it. If there is, we move that out of the way and make sure now there's nothing above it, and then we just move that up. Now we have 3 on, and then that. Now let me just scramble it up and show you guys again. Okay, here we have this one that can go up because there's nothing here, so we can just do that. And now we have this one as well that can also go up, right? Because there's a white edge there, and there's the yellow center. But there is another edge, another white edge above it. So you just rotate it away, as you can see, and then we rotate it upwards. Now this is quite a hard case. It can be in this way or this way. This is what most people do not understand. But basically, if it's above, then rotate it sideways. So now it's in a case that we do know, and we can check above and then slide it in. Or if it's there, just do the same thing. Slide it into that way or that way. Check. And then put it back in. You can also put it in this case where the white edge is matching. Or wait, okay, yeah. It can be in this case where the white edge is actually matching. In that case, we just have to check, is anything above it? Is the edge piece on the yellow center white? Yes or no? If it is, in this case, yeah, it is, we can just move it aside and then rotate it upwards. And that's it. We just done the lotus. Now it's time to do the cross. Now first we look at the one of the white edges. This is the white edge. And we look at the color that it also has. In this case, red. We then look for the red center. It is right here. And since they're matched, if they're not, you just want to turn it. Like in this case where it's white and green, you're going to want to turn this so that's matched. Just do U-turns. Let's turn the top layer. And then you're going to want to just turn that. So now that they're both matching. Next, we're going to move on to the next one. This is white and orange. Move it to the orange. Turn. Blue, already matched up, so we can just turn that. And finally, red. We're going to want to match that up, like that, and then turn it. And that's it. We're done. We have the white cross. If you did it correctly, you should have the bar there and the cross on the white side. Thanks for watching. We'll join you in part 2.